What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box right here, and I will send you hordes and hordes of stuff and treat you like my own child, okay? Now, doing this little, you call it blog, call it website, okay? Now, these information blogs, what it is they don't really have the spot for you to do comments, okay? However, it's still what they call a blog, okay? So now, what I did was, you can very quickly acquire pretty good content from these private label rights, okay? Now, here it is in Notepad, okay, and you got to make it your own. So there's certain things on it. You got to read through it and check it out, okay? See if it's valid, look for typos. So it is work, but it's pretty much like a third of the work if you were to write it by yourself. Of course, if you're not a content writer, okay? So now I got these shortcuts to these, private label rights downloads. And remember, if it's for free, it's for me, okay? I don't know if you ever use this Nitro Reader, okay? Nitro Reader. Let me see if I can get to their website real quick. I'm not an affiliate to them or anything, okay? But I've been using this seems like forever, for like 100 years, okay? And you can, upgrade it. I've been using the free version for so long that it's upgraded like 100 times, okay? I'm not even really seeing. Well, it says become a partner. I haven't done that yet. It's a very beautiful site. They've evolved like crazy. Okay. There's a lot of download sites that have this, but I would suggest you go directly to their site. Whew, that's some beautiful web design there. I'm jealous. Okay, because remember, I have the creativity of a lettuce leaf. Okay. So basically, what you can do with this Nitro. Okay, so here is my and I send these out on my emails too, because it's good information. Look, I made a little mistake there, okay, which is not uncommon for the old man. I'm only human, okay, so let's do this right. Alright, and I'm embarrassed because I probably already sent this out to you guys, but that's okay, it happens. Alright, so what I did with that, okay, is if you go to this home button here and you type text, you can type text in here. Of course, you have to do it on here, okay, and you can save it. And this is the free version. Again, say it with me, if it's for free, it's for me, okay? It's a very stable program. It'll probably work on all platforms, okay, and it's awesome. Alright, now at the end I put my own shtick in. Now there was this one really good one, old one. You can upload a PDF and pretty much do whatever you want with it. It's really good. Okay. So with that, I can take this free private label rights file, right, and I can convert it to text. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna let it ask to where it's going to convert it to. This way I don't mess up anything. Okay, it's got its, alright, so it's copying me, right where in my articles, okay, buyer trigger words, and it's going to open it after it's done. And it does the same thing for the graphics too. It'll extract the graphics right out of it. Okay, so now I'm creating my blog out of these, out of content that I'm getting online from free content sites, and I write a lot of my own content as well. okay? And for a guy like me, a lot of times what I'll do is, you know, they say you need to know your niche and learn, you know, master it or have it as a hobby or anything, but that's not necessarily true, okay? If you're a trainable person and you're self-trainable, what I call self-trainable, okay, like I am, okay, these private label rights, you can learn how to do the affiliate marketing with them, okay? You can learn how to do the affiliate marketing with them, and it's fantastic. And a lot of times, because, you know, it's, you know, in a PDF somewhere online, in a zipped up file, the search engines aren't even finding it. So it's original content according to the search engine, okay? If you can understand what that means. So now, what I did was, I take it, I make my site, I write my own stuff, okay? And let me take it to the actual page, okay? Let me right here. Made my new logo last night. Okay, so after a while, it all starts, the pieces to the puzzle all start coming together. And if you sign up with me, when I, you know, you get on my program, I'm going to have a great program that I'm not going to tell you guide you step by step, because that's what it does and that's what everybody says, okay? But it's going to change your perspective on it. I need to change your perspective on what you're doing so you can understand all this, okay? It is a form of teaching, yes, it is a form of step by step, but you need to change your perspective, okay? Now, basically, where I'm at now, okay, on my front page of my blog, and this is the ultimate drag and drop, web starts is the shit natty shizzle. Let me tell you, that looked a little bit up there, okay? And you always want it to look professional. You always want to check your spelling, check your grammar, and so forth. And if you can't, that's okay too, because really nobody really reads into these, too. Not too many people. But you want to get it as close as possible to the, you know, the real thing, okay? So now, basically, what I do is I'll take the first highlight, okay, how to start a blog for profit. You see how to start a blog for profit. I'll put it on my main page, okay? And then I take them, like the main page is going to have all the different subjects. Okay, main page on the blog is going to have all the different subjects. Take my notepad, drag it up to the left here. You should be able to do that in anything higher than Windows 2000. Okay, some of you probably don't even know what that is, but that's okay. All right, so now my next step, and as you can see, I cut out some stuff. I reword some stuff here and there. Okay, so how to start a blog, right? How to start a blog. Now we're down to here, and we're going to do all of this. It takes time. It is work. And by the time I'm done with this, it is going to turn into a lot of work. Okay, but that's what business is. You know, once you're in business, you're going to work harder for yourself than you ever have for anybody else. Okay, and it will pay off for you. You just got to stick with it. So now this is going to be my next page. That's going to be my next page. So we're going to go up in here to the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, web starts. And what I did was I already made a template. And you come in, that's the first thing I do. After I decide what I'm going to do, I make my template. Alright, I left my computer alone for an hour without rebooting. Let me get rid of something. Which one am I on? Let me drop this off. Okay. Alright, a little glitch there, a little glitch there. Okay, so now, let's go back to here. Okay, gonna go take you here. Alright, so you see what I did? Alright, little distraction. So this is my template, and the reason why this is here is so I can have my text, and rather than going back from page to page, okay, just come to my template, and there's going to be other stuff here as well. Okay, so now here we're going to go, and we're going to very quickly and very easily, we're going to add a page. Okay, I'm going to use my template. I'm going to create the page, and I'm going to name it. Copy that. Right, setting up a blog. Ba-doom, ba-doom. Okay, and then the template, I'm just going to have all my keywords and everything pre-formatted. Okay, I want to hide it on the menu because I'm going to have a lot of pages, and I haven't. And you can always reformat the menu later on. So here it is. Right, we save it. Okay, and then basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my information here, which I already copied. I'm going to do it again just to show you. Here, okay, Control A, select all, Control V, boom. Alright, and there's my next title there. There's that, copy. Look at that, a copy and paste business, okay? Select all. And I would suggest you delete it first. Delete it first and not, leaving out any kind of mishaps for you. Alright, so there's the first paragraph of this new page that we just made, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything. I'm going to Control A, Control V, right? Paste it. Whoops. Sorry about that. Wrong command. Okay, highlight. Hold the Shift button. Grab it all. Control copy. Control V. Okay, bring it down. And then boom. There it is. Here's your next segment. Okay. Get this going. Love this ultimate drag and drop. That line's going to indicate, okay, the bottom of this text information here. Okay. You don't want things overlapping. We're going to save it. Okay. And then I'm going to come down to my next paragraph. The next. Okay. Now this looks like it got a little discombobulated. So I'm going to take it from there. Okay, remember, see, now I just copied that. Always remember that, you don't want to Control A, all, select all. You want to make sure that, you don't duplicate these and leave them there. Okay, it's a common mistake that I used to make. Gotta love the back button. Alright, and we're going to take this. And again, I went through this like crazy. It takes a while to go through it all. Select all. Paste it. Okay. Back it up. And you gotta check your formatting. You gotta check your spelling. Okay. Let's just bring this up a little bit. Got a little glitchy. I'm trying to do two things at once. Alright, so you get the picture. You see how it is. Alright. And boom. Fresh new content every time. Alright. Got a mad thunderstorm over here getting ready to shut down these computers. You go over here. I'll get you like this. Alright. You see how quickly and easily you could do it? That's Web Starts, baby. Web Starts. I'll have the link in the description. Got my new YouTube channel going. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And you get all kinds of tips and tricks from this old DOS geek. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. rwcweb.com. Get on it. Put your best email right there, and I will treat you like my own little hatchling. Take care.